Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check if your computer has Bluetooth in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Having Bluetooth on your computer can help you transfer files from your mobile devices to your computer and vice versa. Solution 1. Check the Device Manager. Device Manager is the simplest way to check for Bluetooth capability. To see if your computer has Bluetooth, simply perform the following. Click on the Windows icon, type Device Manager. Then select Device Manager from results. Now that we're in Device Manager. What you need to look for on that window is a Bluetooth radios category. That should be listed somewhere near the top of the window. If you can't find it listed there, then your laptop or desktop doesn't have Bluetooth. Solution 2. Using Bluetooth version finder. There's another third-party application. We can see if that would be able to detect a Bluetooth device or not. First, download Bluetooth version finder. Link download in the description. And once it opens up, it should immediately be able to detect there's a Bluetooth device or not. As you can see, Bluetooth device not found on my computer. Thanks watching this video.